Munene wa athukumi ma Silikali Felix Koskei muamba na minista muveani wa mikumukanililye Eliud Owalo na atongoi angi kuma Silikali nene nimatambuka kauntini Masaku kutwaiisya iseso ya kwambiliilya walanio wa unyaiikya interneti ndivi ungu walanio wa Silikali wa Last Mile County Connectivity Project. Walanyo wambiliilwa uvisini wa County Commissioner wa Masaku. Walaitina atongoi ya matambuka kimansioni cha Machakos Technical Institute for the Blind na itina kimansioni cha Machakos University. Panamethi wana chathi kimwanya cha kuvanda miti ondu mwena kuvingwa lab. Daniel Mwangala nukuelesya.
Felix Koskei inaurani munene wa athukumi vanthi ya Kenya ni wombola kana Silikali nene kwizila kwa muvea wa mundu ma mikumukanililye mitandao yake umunthi ni kwithaiikya mitandao kila vandu kwikithikana amwikani makwata mawia ondu mwana kumina siko cia ulusani ila inakusea wa mavindani ala ene nthi manatumia nzia cia tene mavika maovisini.
Let us stop corruption. Let us stop corruption in schools. Let us stop corruption in police stations, in roadblocks, in our administration's offices, in our markets, in our county government offices. Corruption must be fought. The government is determined. His Excellency the President is leading from the front. And we have said no to corruption. We cannot really agree with the citizens of this country to pay taxes and then we turn around some corner and start stealing the same money that people are painfully paying. We are saying no. So all public servants be on alert and get to know that anybody who is getting involved in corruption, your days are numbered. The intelligence have been deployed. We have asked the public to come out and report. We are getting reports and we are going to deal with this vice once and for all.
Ni uneni ula wa kuwatamba une Eliud Owalo, minista muveani wa maundu ma mikumukanililye Silikali nene nola nake waelesekana mitandao ino ni kwitha nitethesya vanene kwa ilya uthukumi wa Silikali kwa ene nthi.
A week ago, His Excellency the President launched our first set of affordable smartphones because we had a challenge in that area. If we go the full hog and digitalize, but Kenyans don't have affordable smartphones, we'll have a problem of consumption of government services. So we have already rolled out into the market. The President launched the cheap smartphones 1 week ago to facilitate meaningful and inclusive connectivity so that we can have cheap smartphones in the hands of all Kenyans. But overall, let me say one thing, that the purpose of doing all this is to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in government.
Mane na kavindane kala matambuka va musini wa Masaku, uvisini wa Commissioner, kimanisioni cha maundu maki uvundi cha Machakos Technical for the Blind, ondu mwana kila cha Machakos University, kuvingwa miako ikivaukanilya kweka ukunekilikana lab. Daniel Mwangala, Atongoi TV, kumava kimanisioni cha Machakos University, kauntini ya Masaku.